children, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Today our question is simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. So we have to rationalize this numbers denominator. Okay. So here the question is 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So first of all, what is the thing we have to do? First of all, we have to find the rationalizing factor here. So rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2. What is the 6 plus 4 root 2 rationalizing factor? Simply change the symbol between these two numbers, that is 6 minus 4. Then we have to multiply with both numerator and denominator with this RF. Okay, so I am taking this number 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 and multiplying it with 6 minus 4 root 2 and also dividing. Okay, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. See here, 6 minus 4 root 2, 6 minus 4 root 2. What we get? A minus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square means 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. It is a plus b into a minus b. So we get a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So expand this formula, a minus b whole square, it is like a minus b whole square means a square minus 2a b plus b square. B square is 4 root 2 means 4 root 2 whole square by 6 square means 36 minus 4 root 2 whole square means 4 square and root 2 whole square. ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 రూట్ 2 ఉంది. 4 రూట్ అంటే ఈ స్క్వేర్ అనేది 4 కి వస్తుంది, అలాగే రూట్ 2 కి కూడా వస్తుంది. 4 స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 16 into root 2 whole square means 2. Then 6 square 36 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 root 2 plus 4 root 2 whole square, same as this. 16 into 2, 16 to 32. Okay, and 36 minus 16 is 32, 4. I am taking directly 4. Okay, 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 32 by okay, sorry. Okay, children, see here 36, 48, 32 ఉన్నాయి మనకి ఇక్కడ. If 3 numbers నుంచి నేను 4 కామన్ తీస్తున్నాను. 4 కామన్ తీస్తే 36 is 9 times of 4. 4 9s are 36 minus 48 is 12 times it is. Means 48 root 12 root 2 plus 8, 4 8s are 32 by 4. I am taking only numerator only. Numerator లోనే 4 కామన్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 4 ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మనకి ఇంకే మిగిలింది 9 minus 12 root 2 plus 8 is the answer. Okay, so in this way we have to solve these problems. So sorry children, I forgot to add these two numbers. 9 plus 8. How much 9 plus 8? 17. 17 minus 12 root 2 is the answer. Okay, I forgot to add here. Okay, see here. Next one is 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Same. Take rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equal to or is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Then multiply and divide with this number. So 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. See here 1 into anything equal to anything. That's why 1 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Then see here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. It is like a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Then right here a square means 3 root 2 whole square minus b square means 2 root 3 whole square. See here 3 root 2 whole square means we can write it as 3 square into root 2 whole square. Okay, మనం 3 root 2 whole square ఎలా రాసుకుంటామంటే 3 square into 2 root 2 whole square. 3 square అంటే 9, root 2 whole square అంటే 2, 9 2s are 18 value. So that's why I am writing directly here 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 whole square means 3 square means 9 and 2 root 2 whole square means 2. See here, that's why I am writing directly here. 2 root 3 whole square means 2 square into root 3 whole square. Root 2 square is 4 and root 3 whole square is 3. 4 into 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 9 2 is 18 minus 4 3 is 12. We got 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 6. Okay, this is the solution for this problem. Okay children, now I will give some homework problems on this model only. Okay children, see here I gave 2 problems. One is root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. So do this, and second one is 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Okay, do these 2 problems. Okay children, bye. Thank you. See you in next class.